Hello and welcome to the Spin Storm Challenge. Now, before we begin, Iron Man and Spider-Man, you won't fit on the track, so goodbye.
What? Oh, come on, let's go. We usually fit.
So in the first round, 3 cars will drive around the track at the same time. The first one to fall off is out, and the other 2 go through.
Get into your vehicles!
Oh, and to try and knock you off, we have 2 special guests. They must have arrived because the music has changed. It's Darth Vader and the Stormtrooper.
Give yourself to the dark side.
Okay, let's begin. It's Star-Lord, Aquaman and Batman up first. Off they go. Oh no, Aquaman has fallen off. So he's out and the other 2 go through. It's Rex, Captain America and the Flash now. They're all going well, so here comes Lord Vader. Wow, instant impact! Judges, who's out?
Vader hit Captain America, who then got in the way of the others. So Captain America is out, and Rex and the Flash are through.
Now it's Black Widow, Ultron and Wonder Woman. They're all going well, so here comes the Stormtrooper. He hasn't hit anyone. Oh, but he may have caused Wonder Woman to fall off. So Ultron and Black Widow are through. And finally, it's the Joker, Wolverine and Superman. They're off. Oh, Superman fell. So he's out and Wolverine and the Joker are through. Even though the Joker eventually fell off as well.
So these guys all made it through that round. Now, only 2 cars will race around at a time. Plus Darth Vader and a Stormtrooper, of course.
So, it's Ultron versus Rex. They're off. Here comes Vader and the Stormtrooper. Ooh, Vader hits Rex off. So Rex is out and Ultron's through. Black Widow versus Star-Lord. Stormtrooper and Vader are getting ready. Vader's done it again. He hit Star-Lord off. So Black Widow's through. The Joker versus the Flash. Vader and the Stormtrooper are in there too. Oh, there goes the Joker. He's out and the Flash is through. Wolverine versus Batman. They're off. Oh wait, Wolverine has fallen off already. No need for Vader that time, so he's out and Batman's through. So these are our semi-finalists, who will make it into the final. Black Widow versus Ultron. Stormtrooper incoming! Ooh, he got someone. It's Black Widow, so she's out and Ultron's through. And it's Batman versus the Flash. Here they come. Oh, what happened there? Vader's fallen out, but so has Batman. So the Flash is into the final. So this is it, the final, between Ultron and the Flash. Who will win? They're in, and here comes Vader and the Stormtrooper. Oh, it's close. Hey, R2!
What? Who's that? Uh-oh.
There's Vader! We need to stop him!
No, wait! He's part of the competition! Oh, we're too late! They're joining in the race!
Whoa, what happened there? Well, Vader's gone to Flo's cafe. Stormtroopers down as well as the rebel pilot. Oh, and so is Ultron. So that means the Flash wins. Well done.
Ready, go!
Hello and welcome to our 4-lane race competition. The rules are simple. 4 cars race each other at the same time, and whoever reaches the finish line first wins. But watch out for the trapdoors. They'll fling you off the track. Oh, and 2 cars from each race will go through. Okay then, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. First up, it's Batman, the Joker, SpongeBob and Catboy.
Ready, go!
Oh, Catboy's gone! And the Joker's been left behind as well. Oh, and Batman wins the race. Well done, Batman. So the other 3 will race again, and the winner will join Batman in the next round.
Ready, go!
SpongeBob and the Joker crashed, so the winner is Catboy. Well done, you two. You're into the next round. Now it's Superman, Captain America, Wonder Woman and McQueen.
Ready, go!
There goes McQueen and Captain America. Oh. And Superman wins. Well done. So, who else will go through?
Ready, go!
McQueen's fallen again. So he's out. Oh, and Wonder Woman was pipped to the line by Captain America. Close race, but you two go through. Black Panther, Spider-Man, Black Widow and Hulk now.
Ready, go!
Black Widow's fallen and Spider-Man's been left behind. Ooh, close one, but Hulk won that race. Unlucky Black Panther, you've got another chance to get through now though.
Ready, go!
Spider-Man fell and Black Panther beat Black Widow to the finish. So he goes through too. And it's Cruz, a Funling, Groot and Iron Man.
Come on, Funling.
Ready, go!
Oh, well Cruz flipped out, Groot got stuck and then so did the Funling. So the winner was Iron Man. So who's going to join him in the next round?
Ready, go!
There goes Cruz. Wow, she went flying. Oh, and Groot just beats the Funling. So Groot and Iron Man go through.
So these competitors made it through that round. Who will make it into the final?
It's Superman, Catboy, Batman and Captain America up first.
Ready, go!
Wow, what a race! Batman and Catboy got flicked out, and then Superman got flicked off right at the end too. So Captain America's into the final. But who else will join him?
Ready, go!
Ooh. Ah, and it's Batman! They all made it to the finish line, but Batman is the one who goes through. And it's Hulk, Iron Man, Groot and Black Panther.
Ready, go!
Ooh, Black Panther won that easily, so he's into the final. There's one space left in the final.
Ready, go!
Iron Man fell and the other two both set off their trap doors. Ooh, this is how they finished. Judges, who goes through?
Well, Hulk did reach the finish and he's the one still on the track, so he goes through.
Well done.
So, this is it. The final. Between Batman, Captain America, Hulk and Black Panther. One race, one winner. But who will it be?
Ready, go!
There goes Hulk and Batman. Captain America was blocked. So Black Panther has crossed the line.
So the winner is Black Panther! Well done. Hello and welcome to Mashem Falls. We are Funlings and also the judges. So let's meet the Mashem competitors. They are Batman, PJ Masks, Spider-Man and Thomas and Friends. And look who's come to support them. Right, so each Mashem starts at the top and falls down the waterfall. They'll break through the gate and we'll see how far they go. Whichever Mashem goes the shortest distance will be opened until we have a winner. So, let's begin. Batman first. Ow. Huh? That didn't go very far, did it? No. Next Mashem. PJ Masks. Ooh. It stood upright. But it didn't go very far. But it's gone further than Batman's. Spider-Man. Oh no, it's stuck in the gate. This'll be interesting because the Thomas Mashem still needs to have a go. Oh dear, it hit Spider-Man's Mashem and stopped. So the losing Mashem is Thomas's. Unlucky Thomas. So who's inside? It's Gordon! Next round, Spider-Man first. Oh wow, that's gone really far. PJ Masks. Hello. Ooh, this one's gone even further. So Batman's got to do well to not be opened. I think he has done well. Not as far as PJ Masks, but further than Spider-Man. Unlucky Spider-Man. So who's inside? It's a Miles Morales Spider-Man. So, we're into the final. Between Batman and PJ Masks. Who will win? PJ Masks to go first. Oh wow, that went really far. Can Batman beat it? What? It's so close. I don't know who's won. It's really close. We need to see this from above. Ah, it was close, but the winner is Batman!
Hooray! Yeah!
Unlucky PJ Masks, but who was inside your Mashem? it's Night Ninja. Well done, Batman! Whee! Whee! Ooh. Well done, Batman. Your Mashem is the winner. Congratulations. Hello and welcome to our Tower Destruction Farthest Wins competition. So today you'll launch off one at a time, round the loop, over the jump, and whoever goes the farthest over this pebbly track wins. But in order to score anything, you must destroy this tower. Okay then, get into your vehicles. Oh, and McQueen is taking part 2, once he's finished with Ramon.
Okay then, let's begin. Captain America up first. Nicely done. Tower destroyed, and an okay distance. Good effort, Captain. Spider-Man. Well, he destroyed half the tower and went farther than Captain America, so you're now in the lead. Wonder Woman. Oh no, she didn't make it. Unlucky. Looks like you can't win today. Superman. There goes half the tower again. Ah, but he didn't quite go as far as Spider-Man. Unlucky. The Funlings' turn.
Okay, we're judges. We can't support anyone. We need to be fair. Oh yes, he made it around the loop. This is going to be brilliant. Woo! Go Funling! Yeah!
Ooh, rocky landing. Ah, not very far at all. Never mind.
Good effort though, Funling.
Hulk now.
Hulk smash.
Oh dear, he didn't make it round the loop. You're out.
Hulk didn't smash.
Iron Man. Nicely done. Oh, but like the Funling, he didn't go very far either. You can't win today. It's Groot.
I am Groot.
Oh no, Groot, watch out for the Star Wars TIE Fighter.
I am Groot.
Oh yes, very nicely done, Groot. Oh, and you set a new record. So not only did you defeat the TIE Fighter, you're now in the lead too. Well done.
I am Groot.
Black Widow. Wow, great effort, but it was just short of Groot's record. Oh well. SpongeBob now. Huh? What happened there? He jumped into the loop. Oh dear. Unlucky SpongeBob. The Joker. Hold on. Did he miss? Yes, he did miss. So you're out, Joker. Ow. Can Batman do any better? It looked good, but he couldn't get the distance. Never mind. Ah, McQueen's finally ready to have a go. Uh-oh. What? McQueen just took out the satellite. Strange move there. I guess technically he did destroy part of the tower, but he didn't go very far anyway, so you're out. And finally, it's Catboy. Can he beat Groot's record? Let's see. No, he can't. Great effort though, but not quite enough.
So that means today's winner is Groot! Well done.
I am Groot.
Ready, go!
Hello and welcome to 8-Lane Knockout Racing. The rules are simple. 8 cars race at the same time, and the winner of each race wins a place in the final. So, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. The first 8 racers are Cruz, Spider-Man, Groot, Captain America, Black Panther, Wonder Woman, Hulk and Batman. First race.
Ready, go!
Ooh, that was close. Well, Batman didn't go very far, but everyone else was really close. Let's see a replay. Oh, Black Panther won that easily. Well done, you're into the final. 7 racers left.
Ready, go!
Oh dear, Batman and Captain America didn't cross the line again. But who did win the race? Judges?
Let's see it again. Still hard to tell. Slow motion. Ah, it was Cruz. Well done, Cruz. You're into the final.
6 racers left.
Ready, go!
Wow, fast race. But who won? Oh, that was really close. But Wonder Woman just edged it. You're into the final too. 5 racers left. Last chance to reach the final.
Ready, go!
Another close race, except for Captain America. So, who won? Ah, it was Spider-Man! Well done, Spider-Man. You're through to the final.
So well done, Black Panther, Cruz, Wonder Woman and Spider-Man. You're all into the final. Unlucky Batman, Hulk, Captain America and Groot, you're all out. We've got 8 more contestants now.
They are McQueen, SpongeBob, a Funling, Catboy, Black Widow, Iron Man, Storm and Superman. First race.
Ready, go!
Wow, super close. Well, except SpongeBob. Judges, who won?
Let's see it again. So close. But I think Catboy won. Well done, you're into the final.
7 racers left.
Ready, go!
Ooh, close again.
Yes! The Funling won that!
Did he?
Huh? Yeah, of course he did.
But look, he hasn't completely crossed the line yet.
What? Oh. Then who did win? Oh, it was McQueen. Well done, McQueen. You're into the final.
Unlucky Funling. 6 racers left.
Ready, go!
Oh yes, I think the Funling really did win that time. Yes, he did! Yay! You're into the final! Woohoo! Nice one.
5 racers left. Last chance to make it to the final.
Go!
Oh, what a strange race. SpongeBob crashed straight away, Superman hit the barrel, Black Widow spun around on the line, and Iron Man and Storm crossed it at exactly the same time. So who wins?
What do we do? I know, let's have a quick farthest wins between Storm and Iron Man. Okay, yeah.
So, because you two are the only ones who crossed the line, whoever wins this is into the final.
Go!
Ooh, they both went very far. It's close, but Iron Man has edged it. Well done. So Catboy, McQueen, the Funling and Iron Man are into the final. Unlucky Superman, SpongeBob, Black Widow and Storm, you're all out.
So, this is it. The final. between Black Panther, Cruz, Wonder Woman, Spider-Man, Catboy, McQueen, a Funling and Iron Man. One race, one winner, but who will it be?
Ready, go!
Oh, and it's Catboy! He's beaten everyone to the finish, so he is the winner.
Unlucky everyone else, close race, but Catboy is the champion. Well done.
Hello, and welcome to my Scary Knockout Challenge. I am Ghost, your host. So, the competitors will pair up and try to knock each other off the track. And the loser will be eaten. Only joking, but the winner will receive this lovely trophy. Right, let's begin. First up, it's Wolver Scream versus Raphael. They're off. Oh, Raphael has been knocked off first, so Wolverine wins. Isn't that right, Purple Spider? Yes, so we can eat Raphael. No, I was only joking about that. Oh, next it's Frightening McQueen versus Captain America. Off they go. Ooh, very clever by Captain America. He slowed down, and McQueen had nowhere to go. So he goes through. Now, Black Widow versus Iron Man. Iron Man stopped, and they've both fallen. We need to see that again. Ah, Black Widow just caught Iron Man, making him stop, and she hit him. So I say Black Widow goes through. Unlucky Iron Man. Watch out for the haunted chains. Now it's Holly Scarewell versus Ultron. Ultron's keeping close behind. Oh no, he ran out of speed. He's out and Holly's through. Batman versus Mater now. Off they go. Oh no, Mater didn't make it, and Batman finished him. Watch out for the spiders, Mater. Hulk versus Superman now. It's close. What happened there? Zombie, what happened? Hulk fell off first. Superman wins. Okay, Superman goes through. Michelangelo versus Finn McMissile. Oh dear. So Finn goes through. And finally, it's a Stormtrooper versus Spider-Man. Close race. Ooh, Spider-Man smashed Stormtrooper, so he's through. These are the winners of that round. Can they make it into the next? Wolverine versus Captain America. Oh dear, ran out of speed. Well done, Captain. Holly versus Black Widow. Oh, what a crash! But who goes through? Ah, Holly went into Black Widow, so Holly goes through. Batman vs Superman. Oh, Superman clips Batman, so Superman goes through. And Finn vs Spider-Man. Whoa, what happened there? Finn flew over Spider-Man. Spider-Man goes through then. So these are our semi-finalists. Who will go through to the final? Holly vs Captain America. Ooh, they both fell. Skeleton, who wins?
Captain America.
Okay then, Captain America's into the final. Unlucky Holly. And Spider-Man vs Superman. Oh wow, Superman went for Spider-Man, but he fell off the track, and Spider-Man didn't. So Spider-Man goes through for staying on the track. So, this is it. Spider-Man versus Captain America. Who will win? Oh, and Spider-Man knocks Captain America off. So Spider-Man wins. Well done. Hello and welcome to the Knockout Loop Challenge. Us pups, Marshall and Chase, will be the judges. So, the competitors will pair up and will try to knock their opponent off the track. Whoever stays on the track the longest wins. Batman's entered 2 Batmobiles today. Will either of them win? Right, let's begin. It's Batman versus Captain America first. They're off. Oh no! Captain America fell off. So he's out and Batman's through.
Yeah!
Holly versus Spider-Man now. Oh dear, that was quick. Holly fell off first, so she's out and Spider-Man's through. McQueen versus Iron Man. That was even quicker. McQueen fell off straight away, so he's out. Well done, Iron Man. Superman versus Asa. It's actually quite close. Ooh, what happened there? Asa slid off Superman, but caused him to crash by doing so. Tough decision, but Asa goes through. Well done. Star-Lord versus Batman. Again. Not sure what happened there. Batman crashed into the track and Star-Lord tried to continue. So he's through. Unlucky Batman. Oh. Thor versus Wonder Woman. What a crash! Wonder Woman smashed Thor off the track, so she's through. Raphael versus Black Widow. Ooh, ouch! Raphael didn't make it round the loop, and Black Widow finished him off. She's through. And Wolverine versus a Stormtrooper. Oh dear, the Stormtrooper definitely fell off first, so Wolverine goes through. So these are the winners of that round. Can they make it into the semi-finals? Spider-Man versus Batman. Ooh, close one, but Batman flew off first. So Spider-Man's through. Asa versus Iron Man. Oh no, Iron Man fell off. He's out, and Asa's through. Wonder Woman versus Star-Lord. Oh dear. Ooh, Star-Lord was smashed out of the way, so Wonder Woman goes through. Wolverine versus Black Widow. They both fell off, but Wolverine fell off first, so Black Widow goes through. So these are our semi-finalists. Who will make it into the final? Spider-Man versus Asa. He couldn't keep up with Spider-Man, so Asa's out and Spider-Man's into the final. And it's Black Widow versus Wonder Woman. Oh no, Wonder Woman flew off, so she's out and Black Widow's through to the final. So this is it, the final. Will Spider-Man or Black Widow win? Let's find out. Oh, it's cheeky from Spider-Man. He slowed down just in front of the booster, so it wouldn't have enough power to boost Black Widow round the loop. So Spider-Man wins. Well done.